So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, I am back today with my current empties. It's been a little while since I've shared my empties with y'all, so I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know which products that I possibly might be repurchasing, what products I might not be repurchasing, and all of that. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so the first empty that I have is from Hum Nutrition, and this is their Glow Sweet Glow Gummies, which I absolutely love. Definitely will be repurchasing these. If you guys are familiar with my channel, I have introduced these to you guys before, so I definitely will be getting these again. The next one is also from Hum Nutrition, and you guys should be familiar with it as well. These are the Moody Bird supplements, which helps with your monthly PMS and all that stuff. Definitely will be getting these again as well. I've done a video on these before briefly when I first got Hum Nutrition, so I will pin it down below in the description box as well in the cards. These work, in my opinion. They definitely work. My cramps are not that bad, but from what I've noticed, these definitely work, so I will be getting these as well. The next empty that I have, I had to review. It's by NutraChamps. It's their Tart Cherry Vegan Gummies. Not too sure what exactly it does. It's on the bottle somewhere, but I can't really tell you what they do. They were all right, but personally, I would not be going out of my way to purchase these again. They were cool though, definitely cool. But yeah, it's not something that I would go out my way to purchase. It supports joint health and sleep. I didn't too much notice that. So the next thing I have is this nausea relief medicine. A Metrol, I think that's how you say it. This stuff, my go-to when I'm feeling nauseous, upset stomach, so I always get this. Okay, so this is definitely something that I will be repurchasing. The next thing that I have is the Mary Ruth's Organic Maca Root. This is the liquid drops. I did like this because I used to actually take the pill version of the Maca Root, which I had switched to. I did like this, but I don't know yet if I will repurchase this or not. I'm kind of in the middle because I kind of like the pill version of Maca Roots, and I kind of like this liquid version, so I'm not too sure exactly if I will be repurchasing this. I probably will, but I'll probably like every other time. So I may get the supplements this time and get the liquid next time. We'll see. The next thing that I have is also by NutraChamps. This is their B Complex Raspberry Flavor Liquid. This is a energy support. I really didn't notice, in my opinion, I didn't notice anything that it was supposed to do. So I will not be going out of my way to actually purchase this with my own money. It was cool to take, but yeah, I don't think I'll be repurchasing. The next thing is this Tylenol arthritis pain. I forgot why I had got this, but I had got it because y'all know I love me some Tylenol PM. I think I've told you guys that before, I don't remember. But the Tylenol arthritis, I got it for something and I think it worked. But I just feel like this and the PM is just good things to have around the house. So I definitely will be repurchasing this. All right, so next we have this air freshener. This is in the Coastal Sunshine Citrus. I absolutely love the way that this smells, okay? Definitely love the way that this smells, so I will be getting this again. Of course, I love me some air fresheners and all that stuff. And this one didn't too much mess with my allergies or asthma, so I definitely like that. Next is the Sleep by Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy. This is a lavender and vanilla pillow mist. My brother had actually got this set for my mom for either her birthday one time or Christmas. And I kind of figured she wasn't going to use it, so she gave it to me. And I love this stuff. I would spray it on my pillow. I would even spray a little bit on my blanket. I just love the way that it smells. So I definitely will be going to Bath & Body Works to get this. And next we have the Garnier Skin Active. This is the Soothing Facial Mist. I had this for a while. And I was using it as a facial mist, but I started using this to remove the lace front wigs. Okay, this definitely worked to remove the lace front wig. It was just, I just spray it on there, leave it on there for a little while, and then I was able to take the wig off. So I definitely will be getting this. and this is my new lace front wig removal. All right, so now we have a couple of soaps. So this is the Soft Soap Body Gentle Wash Oat Milk and Comforting Vanilla. Okay, this smelled so good. Okay, soft soap recently has been my favorite. Okay, I have another one that will be in the next current empties, but this one, oat milk and vanilla mixed together, it smells so good, so I definitely will be getting this again. Next we have the Soft Soap Hand Soap. This is warm vanilla and coconut milk. Okay, I actually recently got another one of these. It's in my bathroom. This is my new fave as well. The smell is just so good, and both the hand soap and their body wash has my skin feeling so soft. It's so smooth and smelling so good. Okay, so like I said, I already bought a new one of these, so this is definitely going to be my go-to. Next is the Suave Milk and Honey hand soap. Absolutely love this. I love the body wash as well. So of course, hand soap, I love hand soap. Okay, so I'm always for getting hand soap, so this definitely I will be buying again. So next we have the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt Soaking Solution Menstrual Relief. Okay, I had seen this a while back. I seen it on TikTok, I believe, and then I saw it at Walmart, and I went ahead and got it along with the foaming bath soap, which I still have. But this stuff definitely, it helps. It definitely helps. My cramps are not that bad, as I said before, but it helps. So I definitely will be getting this back as well. All right, so next we have the Texture by Cantu. This is the hydrating conditioner, and then this is the Scalp Saver. Y'all know I've had this for a very long time because I did a video a few years ago. Okay, I still have a little bit in here, but I would normally just put on my wigs. I don't even know if Cantu still makes this one. This is the one with apple cider vinegar, I believe, and this worked really well on my hair when I first got it. So if they still have these products around, I definitely will be getting again, but if not, I'm glad that I was able to try them. All right, so next we have the Ion Purifying Clarifying Shampoo. I forgot why I had bought this a long time ago, but you know, clarifying shampoo is good to have when you need to, you know, use it. So I really like the way that this one was working, so I definitely will be getting this again whenever I need some clarifying shampoo. Next is the Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Shampoo with flaxseed oil and shea butter. I like this. It worked good on my hair. I use this up pretty fast because I still have the conditioner. So definitely will be getting this again as well. And then this is the Kiss Edge Fixer Max Hold Edge Control. This is in the scent Sweet Peach. I got a small version because I needed some edge control a while back, and I didn't feel like going to the hair store. So I got this at Walmart, and I got the little one because I wanted to see how it worked. Okay, and I liked it. I can't remember all that it does, but I definitely will be doing a review for this one here on my channel, so you guys can get a full honest review about this edge control. So yeah, I will be doing this very soon, so make sure you guys look out for the review on this edge control. Next we have the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. This is in the, I forgot how to say it, colloidal, I don't know, oatmeal and calendula oil. So this is a body polish. I love the way it smelled. I love the way it made my body feel nice, smooth, soft, everything. So I definitely will be getting this again as well. All right, so next we have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Cleansing Gel. If you know, y'all know how I feel about Neutrogena, okay? This brand, the Hydro Boost, works really good with my skin because I have normal to dry skin. So y'all already know, definitely will be getting this again. We also have the serum, which I love, so definitely will be getting that again. We also have the Gel Cream Extra Dry. Forgot the actual name. Well, it's gel cream. So the Gel Cream Extra Dry Cream. Love this as well, okay? Same thing, Hydro Boost. Definitely will be getting this again. Y'all know, if you're familiar with Hydro Boost, they are a little expensive, but they worked good on my skin. So the next time I get the full collection, I will more than likely do a video for you guys. So yeah. So next we have the Dr. Dennis Gross Dewy Deep Cream. I had to do a review on this and I was using it like crazy, but I ended up liking it. I really liked it. You can use it in the morning and at night, and it had my skin feeling so soft and moisturized. So definitely will be getting this again. So next we have the Pond's Cleansing Balm. Melts your makeup and moisturize your skin. I love this. I love the way it helped to remove my makeup. So I had bought this on Amazon a while back, so I definitely will be getting this again as well. All right, so next we have the Milani Prime Perfection Face Primer. It's hydrating. Most of the primers that I use before I put on my makeup, they all pretty much do the same, okay? Out of the ones I have, there's two that I will more than likely buy again, but the Milani one, I'm not too sure. I mean, it was good to have, but it's not something that I would like, oh my God, I have to get it again. It's just not. So, but it worked. You know, it worked for whatever reason. So yeah. Now, here's the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, Hydrate and Smooth. This I love. I love the way, as soon as I put it on my face, how it made my face feel. If you know me, I love Maybelline, so I definitely will be getting this again. Next is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. Love this as well. I didn't buy this. I got this to review, I think, from Influencer, and I finally used it up. So I definitely will be using my own pocket money to get this. I really liked it. And finally, we have the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I used to use their Chill makeup spray because of my skin, normal to dry, but I think they discontinued it. I'm not too sure. I will have to check again. If they didn't discontinue it, I definitely will be getting again. But if they, if they did, the all-nighter is not bad. It's not bad at all. It definitely helped to have my makeup stay in place throughout the day. So I will be purchasing this again as well. All right, so that pretty much concludes my current empties. I just wanted to share the products that I've used up as of lately, the last couple months and all of that. There's probably some products that you guys didn't even know of that you might, go ahead and go to the store and buy. There might be some products that we both use, whatever, but either way, I did want to share those with you guys. So that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.